Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got another new Christmas mold. This one's a star shape with some details on it. I don't know if that picks up on camera a bit. There you go, that's better. Ta-da! So, I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with a little brush and some sky blue mica powder, just very lightly. I don't want it to be overpowering. I just want it to be kind of a, well, it's going to be overpowering because I know I'm already going to get heavy-handed with it. And then once I've dabbed that on like so, I'm going to mix some flash white into some resin. This is mica powder again, and then that's going to be poured over. And then hopefully when I demold it, it's going to have like a light blue tint on it with a mostly white background. So the blue is just accent colour. Hopefully, that's the idea. But we will see what happens. Who knows? And hopefully we like it. So I'm just gonna crack this open. Get a bit on my brush. Go in. Now remember from doing the resin incense holders that I did using a similar method, painting dry mica powder on first, that if I use clear resin with it, it didn't show up very well at all at the end. I still love the resin incense holders, I still use them. But for this, I don't want such a subtle look. I want it to be bold and that you can see it. So that's why I'm going in with the flash white mica powder and the resin on top of this. And hopefully doing the blue like this just gives us a subtle look with the blue. Who knows? We're going to find out together. What other colour combinations would you do? I'm thinking like a gold, but I don't know what background to do with the gold. Maybe white again. Maybe red and green. Gold and silver. I don't know, endless possibilities. Let me know in the comments if you want any, if you have any particular colour combinations in mind, and I can see if I can try them out. So I'm just going to take this to a bin and tap out any excess. I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, there we go. I just shook that over a bin. You can see there the blue. So I have some resin here. Don't think this is going to be enough, but I have more resin ready should I need more. And then I am just going to grab the lollipop stick. Need more than that. Can definitely tell this is one of my favourite mica powders because I'm running out of it quickly compared to the others. So I'm just going to mix that into the resin. Go. And then it's going to go straight in the middle and let it spread itself out. Okay, and that's not enough. So I'm just going to go in with clear resin. Oh, this seems to have gone a little wonky. Straighten her up. There we go. That looks cool. I know that the resin's going to move as it sets up, it gets hotter, it moves around, but I do like that that's clear. I wonder if that would give a different effect if it sets like that with a light behind that bit, because it will be clearer. That looks so cool. Right. I'll see you in a couple of days when it's all set and we can demold and see what we think. Okay, everything is nice and set and it's time to demold and see what we've made. You can see the clear resin here has stayed clearer in the middle. Quite excited to see what effect that gives us, if any, when we flip it over and demold it. And then I'm going to just turn it over in the mould. You can see the blue here that we painted on with the paintbrush. I'm interested to see what effect that gives us once it's demolded as well. So I'm just going to jump right in, start pulling it out. This is coming out super easy, which is really nice. Wow, really easy. No resistance at all. The mould is nice and clean. Cool. Are we ready? Are we ready? You can see here definitely how much clearer it is, and it's really just that circle as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's super cool. Like that. However, is that going to pick up on camera? Can you see these darker spots? It's where there's like lumps of pigment powder, I think, because they're not scratching off, so it is embedded in the resin. Gives us a different effect, one that I wasn't expecting, but an effect nonetheless, so that's cool. I'm not annoyed at it, I'm happy with it, but I think I can do better. So I'm definitely going to do more of these. And also, I can't just have one big star on the tree, I need lots of them, right? So, yeah, I'm going to try different colour combinations. I don't think I'm going to paint in again. Or maybe I will. Maybe that's a lie. Maybe I will. I'm going to try different things, different colours, different ways of colouring the resin as well. So, mica powders, alcohol inks, resin ink. Yeah, we'll see. We'll experiment together. Gives us a lovely shine as well in the lights. That's nice. Cool. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you have any colour combinations in mind. What colour should I do? I will pop some pictures at the end. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.